So good morning, my honey bunches of third class. So ma'am is here with the second chapter, and that is Introduction to Windows 7. So in this chapter, in the last session, we have learned about many of the new thing, right? Like as we have done the components of the desktop. What are the components of the desktop? Then functions of the taskbar. These are the things, these are the two topics that I have discussed with you. Okay, now in this session we will learn about how to change the desktop background. Okay, but before that, what I'm going to do is I will discuss the chapter that the previous session in a very few time. Okay, so I will revise the chapter and then we will proceed to the new topic. Okay, so first of all, we have learned about the what is an operating system. In the first chapter also we have seen what is an operating system. So basically operating system is a part of the system software which runs the computer. Okay, to run the computer, operating system is very important. Okay, so one of the operating system is Windows. Windows is the most commonly used operating system and it was developed by Microsoft Corporation. Okay, and who is the owner of who is the founder of Microsoft? That is Bill Gates. Everyone knows him, right? Now, then this is the screen you are having of Windows 7. This is the desktop you are having for the Windows 7. Okay, but what is desktop? If I ask you what is desktop, do you know? As I have discussed in the last class also, when you boot your computer or when you start your computer, when you switch on the computer, the Windows operating system starts automatically. Okay, the first screen that appears on the monitor is called desktop. The first screen. Let me show you. This is your desktop. Okay, this is called your desktop. Okay, now you can see, as you can see, there are lots of icons we have on the desktop. This is the start button we have, this is the taskbar we have, and this side, when you come this side, you have the notification area or notification bar, then time and dates. Okay, now let's learn about icons. What is icon? Right now I have used the word icon. What do you mean by icon? Actually, these are the icons are the small pictures. Okay, icons are the small pictures or symbols. Okay, with names. Actually, these symbols pictures are called icons. I can show you. Let me show you. These are network. You can see network. Soumya, one folder is there like Soumya. This PC. Okay, and then Google Chrome icon is this. All these icons are kept on my desktop. Okay, so what are the icons? Icons are the small pictures with name that represents file, folders, program and other items. When you first start Windows, you will see some of the icons on your desktop, which is very common. Okay, these three icons are very commonly you can see on your desktop. The first icon is the recycle bin. Okay, and the second one is the network icon, and the third one is the computer icon. That my this PC I have shown you right now, na, that was the computer icon. You can see this PC as I shown you. This PC is the computer icon. Then you have the recycle bin, and then you have the control panel, you have the network. Okay, these are the icons. These are the common icons that you can see on your desktop. Now coming to the first, first icon we will discuss is the computer. Double click, if you will double click on that computer icon, what will happen? That this window, actually what happens, it is, in this PC or my computer, holds the information about the folders, storage devices, hardwares, hard drives, etc. Okay, so this the computer icon is for the purpose where all the information about the computer is being kept safe. Okay, whether that information is related to the folder, devices, hardware, software, anything. Okay, then the second icon, the most common icon you will find is, that is the network, and this icon takes you to the window that shows different networks. Let me show you this side. I can show you, this is the network icon I have. See, these are the network I have. Okay, and right now I'm connected with this network. All the information regarding networks and network settings, all this you can get from this network icon. Okay, now coming to the third, recycle bin. What is the use of this recycle bin? This icon takes you to the window that displays file, okay, and file and folders that have been deleted. Okay, but one option is there with the recycle bin. If you have deleted the file and folder and you want to restore that file and folder, that can be done with the help if you have just deleted your file. Okay, let me show you. First, go to desktop, and suppose this playback, or like I have this background. Okay, background is no more of my use. I am just right clicking it, and or I can do is, I'm just deleting it. Just click the right click and you will get the delete option. Just click on that. It is being deleted. Now what you can do is just go to the recycle bin. This is the recycle bin icon you have. Click on that. You can see that recycle bin option is now open. I have deleted the file, that the name of the file was background. Let me see, let me search for the background. There are so many that I have deleted. So what I am going to do is, I'm just writing it, BACK background. Yes, you can see this is the background image that I have deleted. Now I want this image to be back. I actually now by mistake I have done that, suppose. Okay, what I'm going to do is, I'm clicking on the right click on that and getting option restore. I will click on that and you can see the file is now no more on your in your bin. Okay, recycle bin, and you can see that file is again on the on its position, that is back on the desktop. Okay, so this is the function you have of the recycle bin. So means once you have deleted the file by mistake, that can be restored. Okay, with the help of, and you have that option in the recycle bin. Okay, the three icons that I have discussed, that is computer, network and recycle bin, which are the common icons you have on your desktop. So next is Windows 7 taskbar. Okay, what is taskbar? It's a thin strip, okay, that runs across the bottom of your screen. And let me show you once more time. This is the taskbar you have. Okay, this is the taskbar you have. So you can see start button is there at the taskbar, quick launches icons are there. This is the display area is taskbar. Then you have the notification area or navigation pan or and clock, date and time, for the date and time. Okay, now coming to start button. This is now we have started the session, the topics that I have to discuss in this session. Okay, and what we have done till now is the revision work of the previous session. Okay, So start button, you will find start button. Where you will find your the start button? It is at the left, bottom left of the desktop. As I can show you, again we are going to desktop. It is over here, है ना? Where you can see this at the bottom of the desktop, and that is the left end. This is at the left end. You can see the start button. Okay, at the bottom of desktop you can see a horizontal bar. This is the taskbar, and on that taskbar you have different sections, and the left end of the taskbar has the start button. Okay, the middle section, this middle section is the empty section. This part you can see now, this part is the empty section, and you can add application buttons to this area. Suppose I am clicking some of the things, it will get open and the icon will be displayed in this section. Right now this calculator is there, I am just closing it. Okay, then this again I have some PDF files open, then I have one folder open, clicking it and just again clicking it. So okay, closing it. So these are, this area is called the, this area is called the, this empty area you have, this is the taskbar. You can add application button to this taskbar. Clicking on the application button will open the program quickly, and this section also shows the program that are currently opening and running. Okay, as I am having this PowerPoint presentation on, so you can see that the icon. Okay, so the right end of the taskbar you have the notification area. This is called the notification area. Okay, and the, it shows the, you can see it shows the time also, है ना? Clock also. A group of buttons are shown over in the status bar are called the notification area. About network, you have the network exam, networks connection, system updates, speaker volume, etc. All the icons you have on this. I can show you like this. Click on this, you can see about the volume you have, then this icon of network you have, this is the speaker and headphone volume. Okay, these are the small icons, then date and time is also there. So now the next you have is the notification area. Notification is area is at the extreme right portion. As I have shown, this is the notification area and this is at the extreme right side of the taskbar. And some common, as I have told you right now, I have shown you also, these are the common icons we have on the, in the notification area. Okay, then coming to the change, the next topic, that is changing the desktop background. First of all, changing the desktop background, what it is called? The picture or pattern visible to the main screen after you start the computer is called desktop wallpaper. Many of the time you have seen that. Okay, that is called wallpaper. If I click on control Windows D, you can find this picture, right? This is called the wallpaper. Okay, so the picture or pattern visible on the main screen after you start the computer, it is called desktop wallpaper. Okay, so how will you change the desktop wallpaper? Let's see. The first of all, the first task that you have to do is you have to right click on the desktop and choose personalize option. Okay, once you will click on the you will select the personalize option, you will find the window opening like this. Okay, then what you have to do is select the picture from the background drop down list, and whatever you want you can select it from there. Which of the picture you like to change, you can select it from there. Okay, then click the a new picture for the background. Decide whether to fill, fit, stretch, tile or center the picture. It's your choice, and I will show you also as a demo how you can do that. Then click the save changes button to save, okay, for the new background. And this task what I'm going to do is, you have to also perform in your computer, but with the permission of your parents. Okay, you will sit with your parents and you will learn how to do this. Oh, got it? Don't do it alone, as you may be stuck at some point. As I'm showing you, just revise this session one more time. You will get to know better every time, and try to do this part with your parents for the first time. Okay, so let me show you. This is the desktop. As I told you, just right click on the desktop, right click with your mouse, with the help of mouse. You will get the personalize option. Just click on the personalize option. It is getting open. Now you can see there are so many pictures you have already. I have, okay, and many of if you want something else, you can download it. And then you have background option. This is solid color or slideshow. So I just want this picture to be my wallpaper. Okay, you have, as I told you, you have so many options also. Fill, stretch, tile. If I click on fill, so it will, sorry, stretch, it will get all over the screen. Okay, suppose I click on tile. See, this is applied now. This is just for a while. For that I have to do. Now you have, so I have selected this one. As I am having the Windows 7, sorry, Windows 10, so the changes not need to be, click on save changes. But if you are having Windows 7, in that you will get the option to save the changes, and once you are done with that, then it is fine. Okay, so lock screen also option is there. Right now on my lock screen I have this option, okay, where I will give the my password to the computer, and then it will get open. That is for the lock screen, and you must have seen this lock screen on your phone also. Okay, right now I am taking class for the background, so I have opted this picture, or I can go for this picture also. Let me show you. Windows D. See, the picture has changed. One more time, it is little, I cannot see properly in this picture the icons. Okay, fine. Now I can see. So it is being done. As I told you, this is my Windows 10, so I am having that option is not there in my system. If you are having Windows 7, that in that case you will get the option, sorry, save changes button to save your new background. Okay, so we have done this. Try to change the wallpaper of your computer also with the help of your parents. Now students, so in the next session I will show you how to change the screensaver of the computer, and what is screensaver first of all, and how will you change the screensaver. Then I will give you the some task to perform. Okay, and you have to do that task at your home, and then we will revise, we will do the exercise of the chapter. Plus in the next session I will provide you the word bank of this chapter that you have to mug up by heart. Okay, you have to throw it by heart. So till that time, revise the session one more time, two more times. Okay, stay at home, stay healthy. And if you have any query related to the session, just mail me at soumyajhagps@gmail.com. Till that time, bye bye.